What if your fridge was watching you? Modern smart fridges have built-in cameras. They let you see your groceries from your phone. But in 2022, a security flaw was discovered. Hackers found a way into these internet-connected fridges. They could access the camera inside your kitchen. They could see your family. They could hear your conversations. Over 50,000 smart fridges were exposed. All because of a simple software bug. This wasn't just one brand. It was a flaw in the entire IoT system. Your home's most trusted appliance became a secret window for strangers.